Pachinko with 20x's.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Okay. Anyways, we got a 2017 total winners. Nice. The top with a 49 euro win. Congratulations. Let us know with the next win. So yeah, that top multiplier of today would be pretty hard to beat. Pretty hard to beat. Anyways, TOPSLOT this time is a 7x cash out, which maybe we can reach. The speed is looking pretty good. Hold up, hold it, hold it, hold it. Would you look at that? The 7x cash out. Okay. Okay, I mean, if we have a 500x on the board, we can easily beat the top multiplier. Boom. Boom. It's boom. Watch me whip 7x cash out. What's up, what's up? Welcome to the cash on board. So it's going to be the usual board, 100x, 50x, 20x's. Let's apply the 7x TOPSLOT. So we're going to have a 700x max multiplier. The next biggest is what? 350, 105. Let's shuffle everything, but best of luck on this cash and the beautiful 7x. Let's see how we do. Let's see how we do. Anyways, everything is now shuffled, so make your decisions, pick your own icons, or you can leave it to the auto pick. Let me pick an icon real quick. Okay, I picked my own icon. You got 8 more seconds left to decide what you want to go for. And we got Tootsie Roll here as well. What's up? What's up, my friend? This is I closed. I picked this duck on 2 free. I got 70x for me. Nothing too crazy. The big, I don't see where the biggest one is, but hey, congratulations! We got 4 700x winners, bunch of 350x winners. Congratulations to 1,773 total winners, and top winners Y3 6 with a 2,000 euro win or 350x. Let's sum it up. Hello, hello. I got 350, sick. Congratulations. Congratulations, congratulations, my friends. Let's go.
Clap. 764 total winners. Congratulations to you all. Please place your bets right now. I don't know how to clap with a microphone. I don't know if that will work. I can dance as well, and I can sing. What else do you want me to try? The bets are closed. Your surgery is on Tuesday. That's the appointment with 5x's. Erica, oh, my surgery is on Tuesday. I already said goodbye. Oh, okay. Well, good luck, Daniel, to you. And we have a coin flip with 5x Enzo. I mean, that worked. Wow. Wow. That did work. See you, Erica. No, see you, Lucky Fish. Let's go. The poetic here. Let's look at the coin, the both sides, and we are starting with a color blue this time. I cannot watch. I cannot watch. 1,876 total winners. Tuna, I get 100. Alvin, Dragon, you are the top winners. Congratulations to you. Place your bet. I'm so happy. I was so scared. Oh my god. That was so nice.
Good one. Let's continue from the clockwise direction once again, because as far as we see, number 1 will be popping off today. Another spot. Rizok says, thank you, I want 200. Oh, congratulations, huh? Congratulations on your 200 rubles. Pachinko 7x multiplier. Woohoo! Yeah, let's do that. This Pachinko must come. Easy, baby. my magic works, ladies and gentlemen. That's a pachinko with a 7x multiplier. You know what all of the matter is? It's in the hips, you know? That's how you make it. With the hips, you make the bonus. Let's take the puck, and you can see what's gonna happen tonight. 7x multiplier. So the lowest amount is 49x. Look at that. 7 times everything. 350x multiplier is the highest one right now. 49 is the lowest. Man, best of luck. I'm gonna go to the top. Hey. Rise up, everybody. Let's hit those doubles over here. Let's see where it's gonna go. Double, you know that? Double. Yes, baby, we are making that. A double right now just dropped, so you have a 14x multiplier on the pachinko. 98x is the lowest one. 700 is the maximum. Man, that is extremely lucky over here. Best of luck for this time. Look at this. Ting! Hey, 52. Да здравствует Санкт-Петербурге. Это город наш. Hey, look at that. Who is it gonna be? What do you think? $280x multiplier, baby. That is a huge one. I'm sorry, I'm just too cool for that. Я извиняюсь, я слишком крут. I'm really sorry for that. Come on, let's continue. 52, ladies and gentlemen. 52. Oh, yeah. Come on. Another spin. Everybody.
To you all. The bets are open right now. You can place them, and welcome all the newcomers who just joined. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a good session here as well. The bets are closed. We have a pachinko with 20x's this time. Ah, that looks delicious. That looks delicious. That looks so delicious. Oh. Today is my day. Welcome to the pachinko. Oh. Okay, we did not get a lot here, but it's okay. Like, oh my god. That looks so pretty. Good luck. Okay, what can we get? There are no low things here, actually. No low things. We could have gotten 400, but we got the 140 here. That is not bad at all. Not bad at all. 2,082 total winners. Congratulations to you all. Please click the bets right now. They are open. The bets are closed. Oh my god, Ted. You just